si Mark Dayama. Siya ang certified machine machine lubrication analyst ng CRE Laboratories. Ang kanilang office ay sa Mandaluyong.
Yes, sir. Mandaluyong.
So we welcome Mark. Yung napag-usapan natin kahapon tungkol nga doon sa oil analysis. And then, so sila naman yung aming team mag-i-extract ng oil doon sa aming rental. At saka dalawa nga yung kukuhanan namin ng oil. Yung nasa
Sarado ko yun.
At saka ito. Ito baka medyo matagalan to. Kasi gagawin namin dyan parang every other day.
Sige, sir. Okay, so start. So let's start, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to say, sir, a very pleasant good afternoon po. And then thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity, Sir Eric. And then the team na si CRE Philippines po is to conduct our service and also, sir, this training seminar or training program that we usually conduct sa mga end users namin before starting the oil analysis program. Now, basically po, our company is CRE, pero actually, acronym lang po yan, medyo mahaba siya. Ang company po namin is Center for Reliability Excellence Laboratories Corporation, or in short po is CRE Philippines. So, ang dami po kasing trademark, no? CRE na lang para, no, in short. So, our company po is a reliability company na we usually conduct mga reliability services, trainings, and also po consultation services. So, I'm Mark Diama po. I'm a machine lubrication consultant. I'm a MLA level 3 certified by ICML under ISO 18436. So, I usually conduct po this kind of training with our end users for us to help our end users po enlighten what would be the objective and what would be the purpose na oil analysis sa company natin. So, basically, I present po a basic lubrication. I'm not sure po kung naka-attend na po kayo ng mga nakapag-attend na po kayo ng mga like basic lubrication po.
Hindi pa, sir, eh.
This would be the first time, sir, no?
First time po ito nangyari.
Sige, sir. So don't worry, sir, kasi lang po, ang concerns ko lang po is kung may questions, concerns po kayo, let me know para at least ma-address po natin further. So without further ado, I'll be proceeding po. So our topic po for today would be machine wear analysis basic. So, bakit po ba machine wear? Basically, we will be focused more on the machine condition itself, and then also yung environmental severity na pwedeng makasira din sa mismong equipment natin. Included na rin po dito yung oil condition itself. Now, sabi ko nga po, there are some misinterpretation minsan sa mga end users natin. Kasi when they say oil analysis, parang iisip nila, they are talking about oil lang. Pero actually, oil analysis was developed for the what we call cost-saving impact para sa mga equipment natin. So, ang naging oil analysis lang po siya kasi ang medium po natin for determining the problem is yung oil. So, let us say po, parang sa tao, blood testing. So, sa blood testing po, it's not about the blood, but it's about the person. So, kumbaga yung medium mo lang kasi yung blood, kaya naging blood testing siya. No? It's the same concept po with oil analysis. It's about your equipment, the oil condition, environmental impact, severity, para malaman po natin yung condition ng mismong equipment natin. Now, before I proceed lang po, maybe we could start lang po by some intro and expectations lang po, para at least marinig ko rin po at hindi naman po sayang yung punta nyo today regarding this seminar po. Maybe we could start kay Sir Eric. Sir, any expectations, sir, na you would like po?
Expectation, actually, like we mentioned, pare-pareho kami, bago, o wala pa kami training about basic lubrication. Although, somehow, may mga ano rin naman ako, self-learning na ginawa previously about oil analysis. Now, my expectation would be those mga key points or ideas na may apply namin dito sa gagawin namin oil sampling and analysis with our genset and specifically dito sa aming brand na oil. Ayan. So yung expectation din namin dyan is expected namin sana masama dahil as I mentioned before, nag-test na rin dito pinatest dito di ba? So expectation ko to sa magiging result ng oil analysis namin with our brand of engine oil is somehow ma-meet o ma-exceed namin yung performance ni Valvoline.
Pumarehas man lang.
We are hoping it, sir, kasi sabi nga po namin, no, oil analysis would be the key para makita mo. Kasi syempre, we all know yung oil supplier would not tend to give you, sir, the actual packs dun sa oil nila. So ang gagawin lang yun, sir, is they would give you a general statement or overview. Para at least may confidence po kayo regarding dun sa oil niyo po.
So that's it. Yun ang magiging expectation.
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing, sir. Next, sir.
Pangalan mo pa.
Radiant po. Radiant Lubrication.
Anong inaasahan mo dito?
Inaasahan ko din po na sana maging maganda yung result ng engine oil ng Power City. Yun lang po ang magigitan or maparehas yung Yun lang din po.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir. Thank you, sir. No? Again, I'll not promise, sir, no? Sabi nga nila, sir, I cannot promise the moon and earth. Etc. The only thing siguro, sir, na mapapromise ni CRE is a precise and accurate results. At saka yung facts na may possible makita natin sa from your equipment. So, ang sa amin kasi, sir, once we release it, it's a standard naman, sir. So, basically, we'll check, sir, with the, credibility tsaka yung mismo oil natin.
Kasi actually, kapag kasi mga genset namin na continuous talaga.
Opo.
Every 250 talaga.
Libre 250 run hours.
Kasi ang
200.
gagawin natin sa testing na to, hindi tayo mag-check oil eh.
Opo.
Itutuloy-tuloy natin siya. Baka hindi namin alam, baka pagdating ng 400 hours din.
Sana, hindi naman ganun.
It's also it's a leeway para makita nyo, sir, na sabi nyo nga, sir, every 250 kayo nag-change oil. Pero ang question kasi dito, is it every 250 wala bang problema talaga yung engine natin? So may kita natin siya, sir, dito.
Jun, ikaw.
Sir.
Sir, ako ka pala si Jun Costillas. So, ang in-expect ko dito na malalaman ay tungkol kung paano natin i-check yung langis, kagaya ng pinapaliwanag nyo. Kung paano natin i-handle ng maayos para hindi makontaminate. At the same time, gusto rin naming malaman kung gaano ka durability yung engine oil ng Power City.
Sige, sir.
Yan lang po.
Next, sir.
Sir, ako si Eric Egos. Ang expectation mo, sir, pare-pares lang, sir.
Kasi wala.
Seems.
Nasabi na po lahat.
Sige, sir. Actually, this is the time kung may question kayo like lubrication sa mga sasakyan, sa mga motor ninyo. Sa safety kasi, sir, sa lubrication related field pa rin naman. So, kung you have questions, sir, siguro later on habang dinidiscuss ko, sir, i-proceed po natin, sir. Sige, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing, sir. So, I will proceed lang, sir, yung discussion natin, sir. So, actually, sir, ang design na to, ng training na to, sir, is for a whole day compressed, pero we will be doing it, sir, naka-play na lang siya. Hoping we'll finish it, sir, early po para maaga siya. Now, I would like to share, this one is a case study, sir, conducted sa US. Actually, pinunta ko ito, sir, under sa isang school, one of the top engineering schools sa US, which is sa MIT po. MIT, sir, yung hindi siya sa Mapua Institute of Technology. Siya, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So, one of the top engineering schools sa US. Now, according to them, sa isang professor na nag-conduct ng research, si Professor Ernest Reability, nahati daw, sir, sa 3 categories ang pagkawala ng usefulness o pagkawala ng silbi ng equipment natin. So, ang sinasabi niyang 3 categories ng pagkawala ng silbi ng equipment natin, sir. The first one is what we call obsolescence. So, from the word itself, sir, no, alam natin obsolescence, meaning obsolete.
Absolutely.
Pero syempre, dito naman si Power City. Kung sabihin natin sir, no, Cummins yung isang brand. Power City is here to have naman sa reduce yung engine natin. Pero there are some cases talaga, pag wala na, obsolete talaga siya. So 15% daw po yun. The second one is what we call accident. It is very prone sir, lalo sa mga procurement natin. Kaya nauuso sir yung tinatawag natin technical procurement. Yung mga engineer na rin yung procurement natin. Kasi nga po, for the procurement itself, minsan kapag nagre-request ng purchase, like mga bearings, parts, etc. Yung purchaser natin, kung hindi siya ganun ka-technical, there are some cases na kakamali. So, other than literally the accidents na nangyari sa mismong site, meron din yung purchasing, which is accident na minsan hindi kasya dun sa mismong parts. 15% na daw po yan. Pero yung pinakamalaki daw po na impact na nasisira yung equipment natin or nawawalan siya ng silbi, which is what we call surface degradation. Have you heard, sir, the word tribology, sir? Si sir.
Naririnig namin pero hindi namin masyadong ano.
Sir?
Naririnig din namin yung typology na yan. Pero,
Sir. Ako. Actually, sir, yung tribology, sir, hindi siya yung doon sa labas lang na, na parang or something. Tribology, sir, is what we call the study, sir, in terms of 3 categories: lubrication, surface chemistry, at saka wear. So, yung part dun, sir, na lubrication, surface chemistry, tsaka wear, it involves what we call 3 aspects ng tribology. It's a it's a study more about these categories. Now, isa doon, yung surface chemistry, is involved, sir, yung surface degradation. Now, which is involved din, sir, yung tinatawag nating lubrication. And then, syempre, yung generating factor niya, ano ba yung ikinakasira ng mismong equipment mo? It's about the wear. Okay? Now, before we proceed, sir, sa surface degradation, we need to understand first the 2 terms na kailangan natin, sir, intindihin. The first one is the lubricant. The second, sir, is the lubrication. Lubricant, sir, alam naman natin to, no? This is the material. Okay? Pag sinabi natin lubricant, hindi lang siya oil. Pwede siyang grasa. Sa lubricant. Oil or other kind of lubricant, mayroon iba, sir, like water-based, etc. Pero we are talking muna, sir, for the machine lubrication, which is the lubricant, oil, and grease. Okay?
I think fuel, di ba, lubricant din.
Fuel, sir, in different aspect.
Yung diesel. Kasi ang alam ko yung sulfur dun sa diesel, yun yung nag-lubricate ng mga fuel injectors.
Yes, there are some aspects, sir. Opo. Pwede rin yun for the fuel po. Pero ito kasi, sir, yung parang when they talk about it, sir, sa lubrication, more on nag-focus sila, sir, sa oils tsaka sa grease. Pero sabi ko nga, there are some aspects also na, yun nga, water. Water is being used din as a lubricant, like sa mga TTC, mga tabletop conveyors, yung mga, sir, ginagamit din yun. Pero hindi nila consider it for the rotating equipments. Usually kasi for the rotating equipments, grease or oil. Okay? Yung mga gumagalaw sa etc. Now, that's for the lubricants. Now, the second one, sir, is lubrication. Lubrication, sir, is the process of applying the lubricant, the material, to the equipment. Now, ang question is, how well are we informed? Gaano ba tayo, sir, knowledgeable regarding dun sa lubrication process for our equipment? Okay? Now, in this surface degradation cell, 70%, hinati siya sa dalawa. Meron tayong tinatawag, sir, na mechanical wear and then the corrosion. Okay? Mechanical wear, sir. Are we informed na yung equipment natin kapag tinignan natin, sir, sa loob, yung engine, for example, sir, yung genset, tinignan natin sa loob, akala natin dikit na dikit yung every parts. Is it dikit na dikit po ba talaga yung every parts? When we say dikit, for example, yung kamay ko, sir, hinatong ko dito sa table. Is it fully dikit po ba sa table?
Dikit po yan. Yes, sir.
Hindi, sir. Opo. Actually, that's true, sir, no? Merong space or gap between dito sa kamay ko at dito sa table. Ang tawag natin, sir, sa machine equipment, sa rotating equipment dito, sir, is what we call dynamic machine clearance. Okay? Now, the machine dynamic clearance, sabi nga natin, this would be a very important factor na malaman natin kasi this one generates yung tinatawag natin mechanical wear. Okay? Yung gap na yun, papasok dun yung oil para i-protect niya yung dalawang moving surfaces. Hindi siya pwedeng magdikit. Kasi pag nagdikit po siya, it will generate wear. Okay?